This is a fuse behind of the antenna connection. I take it out, see how he's inside. I don't know if this is a good signal or not, but it looks like something born in there. I've been trying to show you much more detail about this part. I hope that can be helpful. After checking all this inside part, I take the rest of the part outside and see to show you the detail. I don't know if this is normal, but it's there. Now I try to take it out. I'm trying to show you all the detail about this part. I hope that will be enough clear for you guys. Now I'm taking outside from the mixer room to try to take it out. It's not easy, it's hard. With one hand it wasn't possible, and I try with my two hands. It didn't come out. It's hard. Finally, I leave it there. I don't know if it is a normal way to stay inside, but you guys can see. I'm just leave it inside. This is a supply part, you'd say, is still in the same place. For now, I don't know if it to change it or to wait until when you guys coming to do something. It's my question. I didn't open it. It's still in the same packet. The other fusil is inside. My question about the audio cable, I just want to know what should be good thing to confirm, because if I can make the connection from the left cable, one is good, with giving us the signal from the mixer. What do you think? Can I connect it, this one, to the cable who is going to transmitter? So connect these two cables. I think that will give us the signal from the mixer to the transmitter. Or one of these from the studio 1 or the studio 2 can be connected direct to the left cord who is going to the transmitter, to try to find the signal up there with not taking out the transmitter from the antenna. I want to hear from you.